So this is a popular trend of having some perplexed Diamante Heels or anything that's Diamante that got all the diamonds on them. So I decided to do a DIY. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with our crusty dusty perplexed heels, and you want to make sure that you clean them because mine they ain't been used in about 2 years and I don't know what happened. So I wiped them up with some 90% alcohol. Let me tell you, I had to use soap and water too because I literally had to scrub this boot in order to get it as clean as I possibly could. You want to make sure you don't have any oils or anything on your hand because you don't want to have any smurs on the inside of the boot. You want to try to make sure you get it as clean as possible. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to our crystals. I got some AB crystals from Amazon. They are about $6. I'll put them in the description box for you guys. I laid them out on a little tray. I got the end of my makeup brush, some nail glue, and I just literally started putting the nail glue all over the boot, y'all. I would recommend you guys using super glue instead of nail glue, but y'all know that I use what I have on my hands, so don't judge me. But y'all use super glue. Yeah, definitely use super glue because if you get caught in the rain, it ain't my fault that your rhinestones came off. Use super glue, okay? And also, you want to make sure that you're alternating between the rhinestones. You don't want all of them be big, all of them be medium, all of them be small. Alternate with the sizes so that way it can give a better effect versus you just doing all one size. All one size is going to look gaudy. It's going to look like you did it, and you don't want it to look like you did it. So you want it to look like you bought them. So I got one side complete. And as you guys can see, these heels are from Public Desire. I'll link them in the description if they still got them. So we're going to go ahead and do the other side. Do the same thing, placing the glue and then going ahead and placing the gems or the crystals or the rhinestones or whatever you want to call them. And that's really it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little tutorial. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.